Welcome to the NeuralSeek Cache Hands-On Lab, Module 2, Configuring Caching. This module will take about 10 minutes and is for beginners. Let's take a look at the caching configuration of the corporate knowledge base. The first caching that we want to look at is the setting for NeuralSeek's corporate knowledge base. Let's enter our NeuralSeek instance and click the Configure tab on the top menu. Click Corporate Knowledge Base Details to open the section. Click Show Advanced Options to display the advanced options. Observe the cache settings. This setting is set to 120 by default, but you can set as high as 6,000 minutes. Now, when NeuralSeek accesses the corporate knowledge base, it processes the original data from it, cleanses its contents, compresses it, and prioritizes the returned contents, which is then processed with the LLM to form the completed response, usually at the range of 8,000 to 9,000 characters. It then derives a hash value of that response window, which acts as a check to later see if the original data is updated. This response is actually what gets cached within NeuralSeek, so that all the search, processing, and LLM-generated time is effectively saved when the same answer needs to be derived. Now, onto the caching configuration of answers. When the user asks a question to NeuralSeek, it tries to use the question to find a matching intent of the question, and when the matching intent is discovered, usually via fuzzy matching, the provided answer, either normal or user-edited, can then be cached. So, let's click Configure on the top menu of NeuralSeek. Then, click Show the Advanced Options button. Select Intent Matching and Cache Configuration. Now, take a look at the cache settings for edited answers and normal answers. Each cache type, edited answer or normal, would have the answer threshold bar and edited answer match tolerance. You can adjust the threshold to control when the caching will start caching for the answer, depending on how many answers exist for a given user question. For example, if you set the threshold to 5, the caching will not start until there exist 5 or more different answers to the given question. Setting the threshold to 1 would let NeuralSeek start caching as soon as it sees at least a single answer exists. Setting the value to 0 will disable caching completely. And that's the ending of Module 2, Configuring Caching. Up next, Module 3, Observing Caching in Action.